Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate your video on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut apps and click New Project. Add the video that you want to rotate, this one. Click Add at the bottom. I wanna rotate this video, so at the menu you can swipe. I wanna rotate this video, so just click on the video, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see edit, this one. Click on it. In here you can see on rotate, mirror, or crop, but in here I wanna rotate this video, so just click on the rotate like this. And I wanna make this video for the YouTube, so I wanna change the format this video. So at the menu you can see click format, this one. Click on it and click on the YouTube, this one, and click on the video and then zoom like this. Finish. After this you can export the video. So that's how to rotate your video on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.